Ladies and gentlemen, I request we all stand as we welcome our guest of honor today. Let's all stand up as we welcome our guest of honor. Give a round of applause.
I wish to congratulate the Uganda Security Printing Company, that is USPC, on this occasion of the groundbreaking ceremony of the construction of the security printing factory. The factory is estimated to cost 41 billion and it will be financed locally using revenue expected from the production of national IDs, passports, driving licenses, academic certificates, land titles, and other documents that the government of Uganda may consider to be of a security nature.
1 and 0, the rest of us we clap. We are commissioning the factory construction.
We have the guys here.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.